Yo, what's up guys? Today I'm gonna teach you how to make a thumbnail. So, first of all, you're gonna choose these things. So, I don't know which one to choose, honestly. That looks pretty cool, but I don't want it. This honestly looks pretty cool, but I just want to choose the one that looks mind-blowing and amazing. I just don't know what to choose here, guys. That honestly looks pretty cool. So now we are going to put in how to thumbnail. And there. This is my, honestly, Impact is my favorite font. I use it all the time, and just make that bigger. Boom. Now you can do this, and then add shadows. Yeah, that shadow honestly looks pretty cool. See, that's pretty good thumbnail. Now, if you want, you can add an image. So I go to Eraser and choose the funniest one. I don't care what you choose. It's your own thumbnail, so you can make it however you want. Boom. That's my thumbnail for this video.